guide path, and second requirement is multiple different size section. Okay, so section cannot be different, section become one only size can be varied. So this is the example you can see here. Let's say one guide path is there. This is the guide path, and on this guide path there is a section. Number one section is here. This section have size profile number one, and this size is 5, let's say 30. Second section I want to plot it here at the exact center. That location the size is different. Let's say that size is profile number 2, 5, 20, and end section I want to plot it here at the end, and that section is again same, because the section you cannot vary, only same cross sections we can generate, but size can be varied. And this size is, this is profile number 3, and size you can say here 60, diameter 60, and accordingly your material addition will be there. Okay, so this center is your guide path. Okay, take a screenshot of this note.
नहीं बता दो नहीं कितना वागे ठीक है हमें देखो नेट से चालू कर देना
It over. Is it over? Okay, so let's operate it. There is a shortkey assigned for variational sweep. By default in the software, the shortkey is B. Okay, now I'm going to operate that. Just open the software and take a new file. Variational sweep. I press here W key
पता
initially,
नहीं लिखा
and first we draw guide path. Am I audible, all of you?
Yes, sir.
पंचो शायद से ये
I am putting again presentation mode. Those who are late joined.
Sumita are late join, sir.
मम्मी તમે ઘર ખર્ચ
Now
વાળે
check
પૈસા
this
ઓછા
software
પડતા હોય
open.
તો થોડા
Have you
મહિના
seen
અમને
that software?
બોડીને મત આપો.
So what you have to do first here? All of you see the software?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay. So let's start. Go to the sketch in task environment. Take a plane. Okay. And draw initially one guide path. You can use any profile here
આ
for
મેથ્સ નો
guide path generation.
Telephone
I'm
નો
using the
data.
Studio Spline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is the guide path. And just say finish. I'm not going to constrain the size for this profile. Just finish this and use this option of menu, insert, sweep, variational sweep. Select this section. Okay. And define an arc length here. Arc length is, let's say, 0%. Or you can take here arc length 100% so that it will start it or at original location. So this is the location of your plane where you want to put it. The type of plane I'm taking here, normal to path. I want at center, then use this 50% length. But currently I am selecting this 100% length, and there I have to define one profile. Okay, but ensure that this will be the X and vertical will be the Y. In that situation, take this horizontal reference. Your horizontal reference will be this X. Reverse this. Now it will be oriented. And after that, click OK and create a cross section. And define the size here. Let's say that size is 30. Diameter 30. And say finish. Then it will behave as a simple sweep operations. By default, it will operate just like the simple sweep command. Okay, start to 8 section, all are the same. There is no size variation currently. So if you accept this, then it is as good as a sweep option, sweep along guide. Okay, so now what we have to do, I have to change the cross section sizes only. Size controlation I need. So initially at the first start location, there is
સિમેન્ટ
diameter 30 and multiple sections we want to add it at different locations. Now how we can add it, just see. Secondary sections, have you see this drop down list here? Currently you are not selecting any secondary sections, that's why it works as like a sweep option. Now I'm taking the secondary sections button on. Okay, so by default, how many sections are plotted in the software? By default you will see 3 sections, just like this sketch. First section is available here, second is this, and third one is this one. This is third one. By default 3 sections are there, and second section is at center in this sketch now, but in the software by default this second middle center sections will be plotted or overlapped in the first section only. So there are total 3 sections are plotted by default. You can see that. Just add this button, add a new set. All of you see this button, add a new set. Just click on it, add a new set. 3 sections are created here. 1, 2, 3. First section at 0 location, at start location. Section 1 is at end location 100% length. End section will be at 100% length. So 100, 100, it means these sections are overlapped. By default, start and end sections will be plotted. This is the start section number 1, and this is the second number, or you can say the end section number 3. This second section will be overlap at one number. Okay, so which section we can possible to modify the location? Only section number 1. Start and end location we cannot change. Only section number 1 you can change, and that location as per our sketch we want it at 50% length. Enter the 50% length. Now the section is created here. Okay, so I'm taking 100 value. Just see what happens. 100, enter. You can take 0, enter. It will directly create the overlapping. By default it will be overlapped. So now I'm going to change this location to 30% length, enter. The location is adjusted up. Okay, now what we have to do, I take this location now 10% of the length. So here is the 10% length. If you take 100 will get overlap. Okay, that's why this will message appeared here. So don't take 100 or 0 value. You take some other values. Let's say it is a 60 or 80 or 90. Okay, that is the location. I need the location now 50% of length. It means exact center. At that center location, the size of this section I need to change. So how we can change the size? Just select the size. Okay, one message box will appear here. Here you just click on this equal to formula and make constant option, and then change the size to 25. We can say 20. Okay, another section is here, but this is the start section. We are drawing the profile over here, so we cannot change directly the cross section size from here. So we can change this size. Just select this. You have to select this is equal to formula and break the formula or link by using make constant option. What happened in the make constant option? That relationship or the formula or link that will get disconnected by using this option. Make a constant. So I'm selecting a make a constant option, and that diameter I'm taking 60 here. Okay, now if you see this preview, everywhere the cross sections are same, only size of sections are get different. If you want surface, you can take the sheet option on, only surface will generate. Okay, now I need here solid, and I click on OK. I repeat the process once again. See carefully what are the steps. By default 3 sections will generate. You can take more than 3 sections also. So first I'm going to use menu, insert, and use a sweep option from it. Variational sweep. In the variational sweep, select this guide path. I'm selecting this guide path, and on that guide path you have to define the location of plane where you want at initial condition. Okay, so as per this sketch I want the location here. This is your first number sketch. In that situation I have to define your location. Let's say it is on 0% of length, so it will go to end location, but I need yet 100% location, then it will shifted to right side portion. Now next we have to
એક કામ
orient
કર
this
પણ
axis. We want always the first quadrant.
આપણે ટૂંક
Correct.
લાકડી ચાલુ
So
જ
to
છે
achieve the first
બંધ નહીં
quadrant, what we have to select
ગોળો
here,
કાઢીને તો
horizontal
ગાલી દો
matrix. Your horizontal will be x. Currently it shows horizontal y. We want it x. So I just click on x option. So horizontal x will be aligned to this x direction, and reverse this direction. And this shows you a first quadrant. Okay. Then click on OK. Then define the size. Or the first profile you have to define. Any profile you can
Right,
take a
okay.
rectangle, triangle, whatever it is, but same profile should
LED ચાલશે ને
continue
LED
along the
ચાલશે
cross sections, different sections. Only size can be changed. So at initial easy condition, I'm selecting this circle right now. Select
તને
this
સસ્તા
profile
આવે
circle and create
બસ તેવું નહીં લાવે
one circle here. Okay. The diameter of this circle
જેના
is
માપને એટલે આટલા જ લાગે ભાવ પૂછે ને બધા પૂછવા વગર થોડી લાવે એટલો હું અમીર નહીં
it is 30. Sorry. Ready? Okay. So we are creating this first section at this location. So the size we can change it through sketch only. So from the 3D model command, you cannot change the size by making make constant option only. Through a sketch, we can able to change the size. But other sections, whatever you plotted in other locations,
काय
that sizes we can vary,
Ring?
except this one. So if you want to change the size, you have to enter back to the sketch and double click here and change the size. That is only one condition. After that, just make a finish option and it will generate simple sweep. Okay, because there is no any secondary sections are plotted. Start to end, it's completely one section. But you want to add a secondary section, just click on this secondary section drop down list and use this option of add a new set. Just click on it. By default, 3 sections are plotted. First section is at start location, which is at 0 location here. Second section is at end location, is 100% length here. Third locations by default it will be overlapped here, but I want to change the location of section number 1. So I need that section number 1 at exact center. So percentage of location I am taking 50% of the total length. Now this is the cross sections. These locations we cannot change because it is start and end sections. We cannot modify its locations right now. If you want to introduce one more section, we can add it using again add a new set option. So in the add a new set, one more section is plotted. That location we can change from here. That location is let's say 90% of length. One more section we want to plot it, add a new set, and that location now I'm taking 10% of the length. Okay, so these sections are plotted. Now section number 1 is exactly at 50% of the length, means at center. That location is defined. Now you have to change size of section number 1. So just click on this 30 size, and once you click, you find this is equal to relation. It means there is a relation or formula is applied by default. So what we are to do, we have to break that link using is equal to
लावून
button
फिट कर
and select here make constant button option. Click on the make constant. Now that link of that size with respect to the first one is get break. Now define this diameter. Let's say the diameter is 20. Then section number 2 is created here. That section number 2 size we can change using again 30 is just click on the 30 size, then make the constant option. Just click on equal to formula, make constant and change its size to 40 or you can say 45. And section number 3 is here. I just change the size, just click on this 30 size is equal to make constant and the size is let's say 15. Okay, but you cannot change the size of end section. Sorry, location of end section you cannot change, only size we can change. Okay, so where is that end section? Here we can change that size, but location cannot change. That size I'm taking here 5. Okay. Okay, and this is the end section. The size of end section cannot change because it is drawn inside the sketch. When you want to change the size, you go back to the sketch and modify it. Okay, this is my first feature. That's why in the boolean I'm taking the none option and click on OK. So this get created. Here, everywhere sections are same, only size are changing. The best example of this model is you can say silencer of vehicle. Everywhere sections are same, but the sizes are varied as per the given trajectory path. There we can use the variational sweep. Have you understood this operation? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I save this file.
Sir.
Yes. Hello. Okay. Hello. What is problem? Have you understood this?
Repeat करा ना.
Okay. One time again I'll repeat. Initially what you have to do, you have to draw the trajectory or guide path. Then go to menu, insert, sweep, variational sweep. Select this section and define its percentage length, 0% length, or you can say 100% of length. In start and end location, we are defining the plane. Then we want here first quadrant system. That's why we have to change this x and y location. So this will be x and vertical will be y. So you just flip it. Then click on OK. Draw the cross section here. That size of section will be 50 and click on close. Finish. Okay. Now we want to add multiple sections. Then select this add a new set. By default, 3 sections are plotted. Section number 1 location I changed to center. That is a 50% length. And end section we cannot change its location, but size can be varied. Section number 1, just select the size, make the constant option. Now that size I'm taking to 80 or 100. Okay. End section is here and start section is the back side. So this size we can change. Just click on this make constant, and this diameter I'm changing to 20. Okay. One more section we can introduce using add a new set button, and their location I'm checking to 80% of length. And that location we want to change the size, use a make constant option. The diameter I need here right now 25 or 150. Okay, so accordingly the shape will be adjusted. Taking 60 now, click OK. Okay, so different variable sizes are there, but sections are same. Along the path material will be added. Clear? But if you right click again and use the edit with rollback option, and in the same option if you want to delete these all sections, then select this button. I don't need this, even though delete this and delete this. Now it's behave as like a simple sweep or sweep along it. Clear? Now next option is the pipe. In the pipe command, you just go to menu, insert, use the sweep. There is a tube option. To operate a pipe related features, we have to use a tube. Okay. Suppose we have one trajectory. What is first requirement of tube? We need one trajectory. Just try to select that option, insert, use the sweep command, tube. So it is asking to you select the path and define the diameters. That's it. So I define the path here right now. So using the curve option, I directly create this profile. Okay. Now go to menu, insert, sweep, tube, define this path. The diameter of outer diameter I'm taking to 80 and inner diameter is a 60. So whatever the difference between that two, that will be the thickness of the tube. Okay, so if you want to create the 3D sketch, in that situation what you have to do, just delete this and running that 3D sketch here. First go to insert, sketch in task environment. From on plane I'm selecting. From this top view we can see this profile is a arc like this, and from front view again menu, insert, sketch in task environment. From this front view your profile will be not arc now, it will be inclined line. Okay, so if you see from top view, my requirement is that your profile should look like the arc, and if you see this front view, if you see the front view, your profile will be look like the inclined line. From the top view, it looks like arc. So we have to combine. So we need to take the resultant of these two sketches. Okay, so to take the resultant sketch profile, what we have to do? Currently, we have drawn this two profile on this different planes. So now I'm taking this resultant of this profile using menu, insert, and we want to create the curves from curves. Then what we have to define? Select which functionality we have to select from this list. Can you tell it where I find that command of intersect option or resultant curve option? I want to generate another curve. Yes, correct. Derived curve. Go to the derived curve, and here you find one option there. What is that? I've seen in your option to take resultant curves.
Combined projection.
Correct. Go to the combined projection. Select the combined projection and define first profile, and then second profile is this. See this preview, and one profile is get created, that is a resultant profile. And now I'm going to hide this profile, but this sketches is hidden. Now you look it from the frontal view. What is shortcut for the front view? Control Alt F. Correct. Control Alt F. From front view, you will see here inclined line. For top view, Control Alt T. You will see here.
મારા જોડે આવું હોય ને તો દાઢી બાઢી કરાવી દે.
It is non-coplanar
મારા જોડે આવું હોય
profile
દાઢી
that
બાઢી
we
કરાવી
call
દે.
as a 3D profile.
મારા જોડે આવું હોય તો
Okay.
દાઢી કરાવી દે.
Now this 3D profile you can consider for tube creation. Go to the menu, insert, and select the sweep option and select this tube. Define the path. This is the path, and same parameters I'm using. This sorry.
તેનું
Okay.
તેનું
Go back to edit with rollback. This I'm
There you
taking
go.
to 25. So this will
Yeah.
create the tube
કહું
profile.
છું તને.
When you want to create directly pipes, then in that situation go to use directly tube option. Otherwise, there is alternate way we can directly go with the sweep. There is no problem. But we have to create two sweeps, outer profile and inner profile separately, and cut it just like yesterday's assignment. What we have done the boolean operation.
ક્લાસે
Solids we have to
થોડું
create outer
meeting
the
છે.
diameter
ત્યાંથી
purpose and
મળવાનું.
for one for the inner diameters, and subtract option, or you can use the shell option.
10 મિનિટમાં
This is
તમે
what the
બીજી
tube.
કલાક
Understood this tube is quite simple, very simple. One trajectory or guide path you can say, and sizes, inner diana, outer dia. That you have to define. So what you learned today, how to combine the sketch. Now you see this from frontal view. You can see this controller alter F. So this front view shows this straight line path, and from the top view you can see the curved path.
જે થાય જે કરો બધી નાખવું પડશે પણ તો.
Okay. So how I take this combined curve option? Just draw different sketches
મારે
on
ના
different
લેવી હોય ને
planes.
તો હું પહેલા જ ના
Okay,
પાડી
but
દીધી.
that profile should not be closed profile. Understood first. You do not create any closed profile. Only open entities we have to create at different planes and take a resultant of these two planes or the two sketches. From where? From menu, insert, and where you get derived curve, combined projection, first sketch and
સમજીને
second
તો
sketch.
જવાની પહેલા.
Sorry, just a
એટલે
minute.
ઓર
One
થઈ
by
ગયું.
one you have to select.
જમીને રાખડી
Second
બધા.
sketch will be here. Then click OK. That's it. And after that you have to hide this sketch. This is your resultant sketch. So this finish variational sweep and tube option. Okay. Now edit work section. That is what your cross section. I think last time we are used already. Edit section. If you want to take any cross section, then you can take the plane, and from that you can see this sections are cut. Okay. Just go back to previous model. I'll open it. to store this file first. I open this file. In this example, we have seen the sections from edit section option. Click on the edit section. This is your cross section. It is just to check the section. Okay. And if you want to take some offset distance for this edit section option, go to this. Go to edit section. Middle click and take offset value here. Currently at exact center, you take 0 value. If you want to take offset value, take minus 15 or minus 35, like that. And do this offset plane here. Okay. At exact center, put the value 0. And change the plane from here. Just very easy operation to check the sections. Okay. Accept this. And if you want to off these sections, then clip section will be off. If you on the section, click on this. If you want to modify the section offset, then use the edit option. You want to check only sections only, then select this clip section. Otherwise, edit sections you can operate and define the parameters whatever you want to change. Okay, so this is what edit work section. Now feature order. How to change the order? Just drag and drop. If you want to apply, just there should be a possibility. I check. Okay. First we want to create this extrude number 6. Then just drag and drop it. And it is not feasible. Suppose we want to create one profile, and on the stop plane, and there is a extruded boss I'm going to create. Whatever the size is there, I'm not going to modify that size. Apply extrude option for this sketch number 14, and just we want to change its order in this part navigator. Then drag and drop this option. First we have to just confirm, is it any link applied anywhere?
On memory છે ને બસ તો
Edit with rollback. Yeah, I don't need to unite.
PC માં નાખી દેવાના lecture
Should be separate. Okay. Now you can drag and drop anywhere.
તમે બકા
See the
earphone ગાળીને
extrude
બેઠો ના
13
આવે
is shifted.
એટલે
Drag
તો
and
હું
drop.
ખુલ્લો રાખ્યો છે earphone માં ધીમો ધીમો અવાજ આવે
This is extrude 9. Just
એટલે
drag
તમે
in
આવી રીતે
this.
કઈ કહે છો કે મારા માઇક આટલા છે ને સ્પીકર ના માઇક આટલા છે
Or the sequence name is accordingly adjusted. It is extrude number 2. Okay. So again drag and drop and release on this. It is similar kind of creo insert here option. In between any two commands you can put it there. But it should be
કરતો મેં ધીમો કરી
Now we talk about next option. Okay, so in our earlier case, everywhere the sweeping group, there is one trajectory or guide path and same cross sections are there. Whether the section can be valid or not valid, the sections are the same or the shape can be the same. Shape cannot change. But my next requirement is that just like creo plate command, you want to add only different sections, different shape sections. Okay, so that time we have to swept command. swept.
मला शिकवतो
Suppose we have a cross section here.
મોબાઈલ કવર લેવાનો શું બોલી તા અચ્છા કવર મો 500 જો દે
This is the plane. Plane name I'm taking. Another plane.
તો ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કરી યાર એ ના નહીં કરતી
There are different sections around
ખતમ ગઈ
planes, and it is parallelly placed. This is the first section. Coming different shape. Sections. We got to add a material. We got to define first where it is going to start. I'm considering my start point. The second section is start point. And what software do? Try to match this point. Point number one. Point number
તારા
the distance between these two planes is parallel distance. Let's say that distance is 350. So, if you want to add a material between different sections, then follow the swept option. Okay. Suppose this can be another condition. First section again same location. This is the plane AA, and this is the plane BB. Your cross section will be this. First section will be the square. Second section will be now circle. Okay. Now the question: how to join the points? By default, software will join the points. This is my first start point. The second section also have the same start point location. Should not be crossed, otherwise that will get twisted. And remaining points will be adjusted accordingly by default to the software. So now I'm bringing this connection line. Now let's do that in the software. What are my first requirement? You have to draw multiple sections, not only two sections, you can create multiple, but up to what limit? How many maximum section you can create? In the swept command, we can create only 150 number of sections.
કોલેજ ને ઉઠાડી દેવી
There are
PhD કર્યું હોય તો લાભો કર્યું
there are maximum
ઓન કોઈ ઠેકાણું ના હોય
150
ક્યારે બી કાઢી સ્થાયી નહીં
number of cross section. There are maximum 150 number of cross section are present in swept.
તે છેલ્લે અત્યારે ના કરે
Minimum
દર્દીઓ છે અંદર
one guide path.
8% લા તો ફ્રીમાં ભણવા મળશે
And
પાળ કરે છે યાર એમ કોઈ
maximum 3 guide path.
હાથ કોણા થઈ જાય
Is required. Guide path, let's say, starting from this center location, guide path can be this. Not necessarily the guide path will be connected to the section. If it is not connected, then still it is fine. This is your guide path. Here also the guide path will be like this. Minimum one guide path should be there. Maximum 3 guide path you can take to swim. Okay. Those who have a basic license of Phoenix, they provide the first beginning command a swim to add multiple sections. But how many sections we can add it? This is very important. Maximum 150 number of sections, not more than this. Okay. Now let's operate this command. Open the setting file.
ठीक है
Not sure where it is. File,
ठीक है
save as.
મને એમ થાય માં મારા હજી ભૂખા કેમ નહીં
Click OK. Press W key. Now select the insert option. Insert sketch in task environment. My first section will be at front plane. So I'm selecting front plane.
અમે ચક્કર છપ્પા ફાળ કે દેખાય
A rectangle. Go to finish and add offset distance.
મજા ભાઈ ઉભો નહીં રહેતો
You plot one offset distance using data plane. Using add distance button. Select here. That distance is 350. So at 350 mm distance, there is another cross section. So you go to insert, create sketch, task environment, and use this direction now. Okay. There is another section here. More rectangle. Now between these two sections, you have to add a material. Then you have to go for swept option. Menu, insert, sweep, select the swept. Section number 1 I am selecting here, but ensure that you use this connected because otherwise one by one profiles get selected. So I am selecting first. Okay. Now how we define the start point in the software. As you see, the green points is your start points. Okay, so start point will be automatically selected as per your location of mouse. If I click here towards the left side portion, sorry, towards right side portion, then the start point will be automatically created right side. But if I click towards the
स्क्रीन रेकॉर्ड एकदा बंद करेन आणि व्हॉट्सअप ने इंस्टा करते दिमाग पाय आहे
bottom side, so I cancel out by pressing Shift key and select again. So what I need to take one more section. So use add a new set and then select here towards the left side portion. So these two start points are plotted automatically. There is no controlation to change the start point. Just like a Creo, there is a facility. Now, what is the next requirement? Minimum one guide path should be there, but we are unfortunately we are not creating any guide path. So what we have to do? First, go to the sketch in task environment, select this plane, and first draw the guide path. The guide path can be arc or line, anyone. Not necessary should connected okay properly. Now, next, use the swept option. I am operating directly from here. First section is this. Go to add a new set. Second section will be this, and guide path is this. That's it. Okay. Now we have to match vertices appropriately. Then here is alignment option. You see the alignment. In the alignment, I am selecting the 5 points. So the vertices are appropriately matched. And click OK. Then you will get the sharp line here. Otherwise, what will happen? Go to the edit with rollback, and if you use parameter, and just click OK. The black line not showing to use. It is very smooth. If you zoom it, there is a small round is there. Okay, there is no sharp line. Okay, so in that situation, we have to connect with vertices. That is nothing but the points. So I'm selecting alignment method. Alignment method is here. I'm taking here by points. So point to point are get connected. Okay, now result will be generated. Now what happened if I change the cross section? Case number 2 will be there. Then again go to edit with rollback. Take the section number 2 and modify that square to circle. Go to finish and use insert swept. Sections number 1 is this. Add a new set. Second section is this. But here you can see the start point is created toward the right side portion. So I'm going to delete this too. First I select this circle and accordingly will match the start point here. Add a new set. Click over here. Don't click on this side. I click on this side towards right side portion. Okay. After that, minimum one guide path, I'm taking that one. And how you want to align this control points? Alignment method by points. Now this by points you can control it here. These are the segments actually. Again, click on OK. It's quite easy to align it properly. So between different sections also you can create the swept. But what is the limitation? Maximum 150 number of cross sections only can be generated. Minimum 2 is compulsory, maximum 150. Now you may have a question, what are the commands if you want to create the material maximum between different section, but that section is more than 150. In that situation, there is alternate command is given that we will see in the next class. Okay, So that command is actually the through curves. There is no sections limitation there. But swept have a section limitations and guide path condition. Clear? So let us stop now. Your job today, you try to operate these first features or commands. Whatever presents on the swept and variational sweep, sweep along guide and tube. I think this one is you already done. Tube, variational sweep and swept. 3 commands you try to practice it today. And whatever the pending work yesterday you have, you just complete it. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let us stop now. Do you have any question? Can you operate this? Whatever the doubts are there,